Hi, this is the video for relinking the texture. If you open your Blender file and you see if there is only a flat plane and there are no textures, this is not a problem. We can easily fix it. Just go to the file, go to the external data and then click on find missing files. Click on it and then relocate where your textures are. In my case, I have my texture in this folder, so I will go in this folder and copy the path to this folder, and then I will paste on here and press enter. It will look for all the texture that we have assigned to the terrain material, and it will automatically assign all. Okay, click on this button and then you will see it automatically assign all the texture, but we still have a problem that our height map is not working properly. So what we can do is you can see, just click on the terrain button and go to the texture tab, and here you can press this button. It will reload the height map. So just click on it. It will load the height map, and if you go to the modifiers and under the displacement section, if you wish, you can increase the strength of the height map. Like in my case I have 500, but we can increase to 800. You will see height is now increased, so we can lower the height as well, but 500 is the original height. So it's looking pretty good. And if we go to the shading tab, all textures are linked with our material.